So, hello. Today I'm gonna show you guys one of my problems with my MX-5. I have a 1991 MX-5 NA first edition, like the pop-up headlights and stuff. Nice car. I've been driving around a lot with it. A lot of fun. But I have a little problem, a noise, a rattling noise in the dashboard somewhere. I've been trying to find it, but I just couldn't find it. I've tried everything. I've been taking whole my dashboard apart, driving around like it, trying to push some things and seeing if it will help, but nothing helped. Nothing. It's a really annoying noise, around 2000 RPM, really loud actually too. So you can't talk with each other when the noise is going on. And yeah. So this is the noise. Oh, a little too much. This. So that's a really loud, annoying noise. Now I have managed finally to find it. Let me get under the dash. I actually don't know. I actually don't know if I'm gonna be able to push the throttle and see the noise. But you see those two yellow lines? These two. The upper one makes the noise. I just found out. I literally just found out. So this one, I think, oh yeah, it's definitely with coolant. It's a coolant line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a zip tie and just put a zip tie around these two and just take them together, because when I do that with my hand it works. So I'm gonna try to push the throttle and hold these lines together. Alright, I'm pushing the throttle with my phone actually, that's pretty funny. Look. Oh, that's a bit much. Again, let's try again. There we go. So I'm gonna fix that real quickly. I'll be back